to our first week of craft with us. So today we're going to be making paper plate string art. So what you're going to need is a paper plate, one of those really thin ones from the dollar store, some yarn or string, a yarn needle, a needle threader really helps, and a pen. I'm going to be using a marker so you guys can see it easier. What you're going to do first is pick a side of your plate that's going to be your back and which side is going to be your front. So I want this to be my front side, so I'm going to draw on this side. So you're just going to draw a shape. So this is where a cookie cutter might come in handy. Alright, and then you're going to set that aside for a sec. Next, you're going to cut your length of yarn. So about an arm span of whoever is going to be doing the weaving is a good length. So once you've got that cut, you're going to thread it through your needle. This is where the needle threader really comes in handy, because then it just makes it super easy. So you're going to thread it through just like this, where you have a really long tail and a short tail. And then you're going to pick a starting point on your shape. It's easiest to start in a corner. And then you're going to poke your needle through your starting point and pull the yarn almost all the way through, not all the way. And then you're going to go back down on the point opposite of where you came up. So for me, that would be this bottom. So you're going to poke it through. Make sure you don't lose the tail. And that's your start. So now you're going to choose a direction. So if you go this way, you're always going to be going up on this side and coming through from the other side on this side of your two starting points. So I started here and I'm going to go in this direction. So I go through, pull, and then I'm going to come up on this side. So it looks like that. And then you're just going to work your way around your shape till it's all filled in. So when you run out of yarn, it's not a big deal. You just unthread your needle, cut another length, rethread your needle, and just start where you left off. You're going to have these stringy ends. You can tie those down at the end. Here's my finished product. So at the end you just tie up all the loose threads and then that's your weaving. Don't forget, Friday on Facebook Live at 2 p.m. we're going to learn how to make DIY yarn wall hangings. Thanks for watching!